Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Tunes. So you finally decided to do screen recording for your YouTube videos or something else, am I right? Okay, I don't want to just waste your time. Now I am going to show you how to do this, and for this one go to Google and search for the item what I am doing this one now. You see, so I am searching in Google. So let us see this one. Okay, from here we will do it. So now, so here you write camstudio. Okay, camstudio, and give enter. So now you will get here. So different are there, and from this one you choose anything. But from the official website you choose this one, camstudio download, which is there. So you can, from this one you can download it. So now and install it. I have been done for you. I have already installed camstudio, and now I am showing this is the interface of the camstudio. And now guys, how to use it I am telling you. So this is camstudio recording button, stop button and pause button. You can use from this one directly. And before doing this one, start recording, go for region. So here region is there, fixed region, window and full screen. So I have selected full screen. If you want to window screen, you can select and fix it. Some portion only you can do this one also. So this is the first option you have to do. Second thing you have to do is here format of the recording is there, SWF and AVI. So this one you tick as AVI. I am going, and you can do anything you like. And then next go to this options. Options also here it is there, cursor options. You choose cursor, hide cursor, show cursor, it is there. You can choose. I am going to show you show cursor. So cursor is also looking. If you want to hide the cursor, you can choose this one. So this one is a one such thing. And then go to again options, and now here you see record audio from microphone. This you make tick. Okay, that means select this one. So what happens if you do not select this one, your audio will not be recorded. And here another option also, they record audio from speakers. You can also select it one, but this voice is not clear. And then go to the program options. This is most important. So program actions here, minimize program on start recording is there. Suppose it is not selected, what happens? You see, I have recorded something and stopped something. What happened? The result I am giving you here RAJ. Okay. So I am giving you this one. So save means what it is showing. So yes, it is happened when I play. Okay, so see this one portion also coming in your recording. It is good, not good. So you don't want this one to show in your PC screen. So what to do? Go options and then program options. In this program options, choose this minimize button. So when you do this one, minimize button, program options, it will when you start recording, this will minimize. Then after this one, you another important one you select your save settings on exit. This one you select. Then only your recording will be saved. Another important option is your keyboard shortcut options. See here a lot of options are available. First one is record and pause key, and then stop key. These two you have to select. So I am going to select F1 and this one F2. You can select anything you like, but something F1, F2 like that you select, because you don't select ABCD. If you type anything, it will be your recording will be started or stopped. So it's not good. Select anything. I have selected this one. So these are the important instructions before starting this one. This minimum importance instructions, if you will follow, you can do a best recording with best quality also. Let us see how it is working. So now in this program options, okay, so I have given the minimum options. Now let us start. So what I will do, using keyboard shortcuts, I am using F1 now from my keyboard to start recording. F1. So it is now started recording. What to do? I will show something to you. Yes, what I will do something. I am going to show you something like this. Okay, I am moving the cursor here and there. Okay, and let us see, I'm opening my logo. So this is my logo. The second started. Let us stop it now. F2. So it stopped. It's good. Then next it is asking for the file to save. I'm saving something like this. FLOWER flower. I have flower. Flower is beautiful. No. So next, save. I have saved this one. So what is the result? Let us see. So after saving, it will show you the recording. So now let us play. So now let us see. This is the good screen recording we got now. So okay guys, this is how to do the recording from camstudio, best screen recorder. You can get it freely available, and it is also very easy. No confusion is there. I hope you understand well, and if you want some more videos like this from me, so please subscribe me and give likes to me. Okay, thank you for watching once again. Thank you.